Hey guys, the good folks over at Nearity sent me over these MemPod Pro 2S headphones. It's not just headphones. We'll get more into that in a moment. Right now, let's get the box open and see what we have in the package. Okay, we have our user manual, quick start guide, and another quick start guide in a different language. Have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a USB-A adapter. This is for, the headset is a Bluetooth headset. However, if your device does not have Bluetooth, you can plug this in to a USB-A drive on your computer or laptop, and it will connect your headset to your laptop or computer. That's what that's for. And we have our headset itself. Kind of has a rubbery feel. Got like a good grip to it. A microphone here. You swivel that around wherever you need it. See how they feel. Okay, these are kind of like the bone conduction headphones. They rest on your ear right here, not inside your ear, but on the outside. It kind of helps you hear the surrounding sounds around you, so you're not just oblivious to what's happening. Anyway, this microphone can rotate down and back up out of the way. Actually, you can rotate it all the way around to get it completely out of the way. Now, what separates this from a lot of other just headphones with the mics on them is this one can record audio, phone calls. If you have an office meeting, where I used to work, we had meetings and they would always assign an employee to take the notes. Yeah, I tried that one time. I was not very successful at that because I couldn't remember what they had just said because they've moved on to something else, and it was a mess. But something like this will save that because not only will it record it, it will transcribe it with an app that you can get for this product. We're going to get the app installed, and we're also going to go over the little features on the headset itself, so you'll have a better understanding of it. So let's get to the next step. Okay, just a quick overview of the headset. Up here is your power button. Right here is your USB-C charging port. Here is your up and down volumes. And let me just say this, if you hold the up and down volumes at the same time, for 5 seconds, it will erase the stored audio on the headset, also on the volume buttons. On the up volume button, if you press and hold that for like a second, it will, if you're listening to music, it'll move to the next track. Same thing with your down arrow to turn the volume down. If you press and hold that, it will go to a previous track. On the mic boom, right here is your button to click. If you're on a phone call, you can click that once and it will start recording the phone call. If you're wanting to do a live recording, like in a meeting, just click it once and it'll do live recording. Make sure if you're wanting to record a phone call, don't press record until the phone call is initiated. Otherwise, it will not record the phone call. Now we're going to get the app installed and try it out. Well, one of the things I did find out, it does use ChatGPT to transcribe, and you get a free 480 minutes. Anything over that, you have to subscribe. However, you can download the audio track, upload it to ChatGPT online, and it will transcribe it for you. So it's a little more work. But if you have more than 480 minutes a month that needs transcribing, you might check into that. Just a little FYI there. Also, your quick start guide actually is better instructions than the user manual. The user manual does give you a little bit different information as far as product information and the LED indicator description, like the blue blinking light and whatnot. That'll kind of tell you what it's about. And your little quick guide has a QR code where you can download the app. Now you can use this on Android and iOS, as well as PC and Mac. I'm going to download it on Android. Now I've scanned the QR code. Now we're going to install. Nearify is the name of the app. Nearify. Meantime, let's go ahead and power this up, and we can go ahead and connect to it Bluetooth. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and I don't know if you could hear that or not, but it said power on. Now, we're going to open our Bluetooth settings and see if it shows up here. MemPod Pro 2S. So we will click that. Pairing, pair. Now it said connected. We should be good there. And just for the heck of it, I want to listen to some audio real quick and see how good the headphones actually work. We'll get back to the app here in a moment. Okay, they're not real loud, but they sound really good. Okay, we've got the app installed. We're going to hit open. And we will have to set an account. You can tap the device to view the quick start guide. Start connecting. Now notice it does have live record and call record buttons on the app. So you'll be able to start those through the app rather than on the headset. While you're getting the app set up, I would go ahead and do the device firmware update. That way it's ready to go and everything's up to the current version. Now in a live recording, you do have a range of about 65.5 foot. That's if it's an open, clear area and the audio's good and clear, it will record good. And just remember, the AI does a pretty good job of transcribing. However, the slurs, accents, a mispronunciated word, echoes and things, that can kind of throw it off a little bit. AI is good, but it's not perfect. So you want to make sure to rescan your transcript and make sure everything is correct. Okay, we have like 40% power, as you see. Now to hit live record, you can just hit live record. Live record start is what it just said. So we are recording, and then you can just hit the stop button when you get done. Tips, are you sure you want to exit recording? Confirm. And that will save it, and then you can transfer that to your computer. Hit your memory. You have a new recording, you can just click on that and then that will open it up. You can do the summary extraction, you hit transcribe, and there you go. Now this is ideal for meetings, like online meetings and office meetings, whatever. That way you'll be able to go back and listen to it in case you missed something. It's kind of important sometimes. That's where these become very useful, is to be able to remember what was talked about in the meeting. Okay, this is a really nice device because if you were like in a meeting, you could hit the live record. Now whether you're live or on the computer or whatever, you have it right here.
I think I put this on, I know I put this on a post on Twitter, and I know, I think both of you guys saw it, I know Kim did. I put out a question that I've asked many times. And I put it real harsh. Can anybody name one thing?
Then you can just stop recording whenever you need to. Then you can go back in to your files here, and there's your new recording. There's your transcript. Pretty cool. Now you can rename it. All you gotta do is hit the little pencil up there and then you can rename it. If you want to play it back, just push play and it'll come out your headphones. I think you get the gist of it. That is really cool. It'll come through your microphone on your headset. And so yeah, if you have any use for recording meetings, phone calls, anything like that, these are great. They're really nice for headphones, just for listening to music. But they also have that extra bonus there, and that is really a huge plus. I like that. So if you're looking for some headphones like this, you might want to check these out. I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. So yeah, I don't know what else to say about them, folks. You saw what they are capable of doing. The audio's good. I did have a personal phone call on here earlier. I was told it was really clear and there wasn't no humming in the background or extra noise when I was typing on the keyboard and things like that. They couldn't hear none of that. So the noise canceling in it works really great. So yeah, really like them. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.